Hello kids, let's read a story. Dear Zoo by Campbell. I wrote to the zoo to send me a pet. They sent me an elephant. He was too big. I sent him back. So they sent me a giraffe. He was too tall. I sent him back. So they sent me a lion. He was too fierce. I sent him back. So they sent me a camel. He was too grumpy. I sent him back. So they sent me a snake. He was too scary. I sent him back. So they sent me a monkey. He was too naughty. I sent him back. So they sent me a frog. He was too jumpy. I sent him back. So they thought very hard and sent me a puppy. He was perfect. I kept him. I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.